Alright, so we put the compressor back in. It's in, put the lines on, make sure that we changed all the O-rings on all the lines. Got that. Put the oil in the compressor, oil for the condenser and receiver dryer, and pulling a vacuum for about 45 minutes. If you need more instructions on how to do that, see my episode on evacuating and recharging an AC system. And also, what I didn't show you in the beginning when I evacuated it was that I evacuated it. And if you need those proper procedures again, see the evacuation and recharge video for more explanations on that. And on this vehicle, it takes approximately 24 to 25 ounces. And I'm going to put that in here in a minute, and then we'll test it out.